Hello everyone, this is Prakash. We as a team of 4 people have participated in the Code for Charity 2.0 event held in the last week. We have come up with a survey application for Hope Foundation named Pocket Survey. Let's go through the features. So this application basically caters to the basic needs of any NGO for getting feedbacks from the common people about their initiatives. So basically we have two types of user for this application. One is administrator, other one is volunteer. So let's log in with the administration. So the admin has already logged in. We can see there are 4 features, 4 actions you can perform. First one is the user management. Basically volunteers can be created, updated, deleted by the administrators in this action. Second one, we have data collected. In this action, the administrator can go through the data collected from the respective volunteers during the survey. He can go and analyze them. Adding forms. This feature allows administrators to dynamically create a survey form. So he can customize the survey application forms with his own question and options. Next time when the volunteers log in, they'll see the updated survey form on the screen. The fourth one is the analytics. Administrator, from the data which is collected from the surveys, can analyze the content and come to know about his decision. Let's go to the first action, user management. Let's say he decides to create a new user. So a new user has been created. If he wants to view the user and his details, other details, you can see a new user is created. So let's say there's 2 default values which we have to further modify. Let's go back. So this is how the first feature, that is user management, works. Talking about the viewing the data which is collected, we'll come to this part later. For the adding forms, we'll have a plus button here through which administrators can add a new form to it. With the analytics, the administrators can go through the data which is collected for a specified survey application form and analyze the details to decide on some points. Now let's go to the volunteers part to see what all he can do. So the new created user name will log in with the data credentials. Okay, so our application welcomes the new volunteer, and Sapna, she has 3 actions to be performed. Not 3 actions, we can say she has 3 survey lists on her home, and she can take any of these surveys with any of the users. Let's say we have first survey, need assessment survey. Basically this survey collects data from normal users to know if they are interested for a computer course which is to be held in future. So basically Sapna can enter the details of the student. So they will fill all the information. So the information has been filled. Now the volunteer will submit the information. As you can see, it is successfully saved. Now what will happen to this data? when the administrator will log in from his end, we shall be able to see the newly added survey data. So he goes to the second action, that is viewing the data collected. As you can see here, there is a new record which is added for Raj. So when we click on it, we'll get the details of it. Like if he's interested for the course, what's his name, and all those details. And then based on it, an analytical graphs will be developed for different cities, and then the administrator can decide on his decision. So this is what the application currently does. As well as an admin, the administrator will have features such as viewing the data, as well as he will be able to call the volunteer at any time whenever he wants. So calling and messaging features will be there, and then there are a lot of features we have thought of adding, and yes, we'll need your feedback upon how to improve on this idea so that it can be made more usable for the whole foundation. Well, thanks a lot guys for watching the video. Waiting for your feedbacks. Also guys, keeping the theme in mind for the Code for Charity event, we have thought of building this entire application totally in open source technologies. So the technologies which we have used are Android, PHP, MySQL Server, as well as for hosting this entire web servers, we have used freely available 000webhost.com, which makes this application completely free to implement and use. So let's hope this application could be made more usable for the clients. Thank you.